Welcome back, Bishop Fenwick Middle School. The next text we are going to look at is Everyone Learns Differently. Looks like that has the brains on the bottom. And this text structure is descriptive. So this is describing something to us in detail. We're going to get right to it. Everyone Learns Differently by A. Curran. How would you like to spend less time studying for tests but get better grades? That is the hook for a little hint for you. When we talked about hooks, one of the biggest ones was to ask a question or give a fact, something interesting, a way to draw in the reader. Because instantly I'm like, yeah, I want to get better grades and study less. So that is a great hook. I'm going to read it again. How would you like to spend less time studying for tests but get better grades? Some experts say that this is possible simply by knowing how your brain learns new information. Research has shown there are 3 types of learners: those who learn by seeing information, visual learners; those who learn by hearing information, auditory learners; and those who learn by doing, tactile learners. Identifying how you learn is the best key to successful studying. Many people learn by seeing information. Visual learners learn by reading information written in handouts or books. They also learn from graphs, charts, and pictures. For this reason, visual learners should study by taking notes, making outlines, and using highlighters to make text stand out. These tricks will help visual learners succeed. So if you ever find that redundant or annoying that I make you take notes and highlight, that's why, because you might be a visual learner, and those little tricks can help you remember the information that we're studying. Another way people learn is by hearing information. This is auditory learning. These learners learn and remember information when they hear it aloud. Since they learn through hearing, it is helpful for them to study by using a tape recorder to record their notes. They should even repeat facts with their eyes closed. Since auditory learners learn by listening, these tips will lead to successful studying. And these videos right here hit those auditory learners. So when we read out loud together instead of reading by ourselves, that's for those auditory learners as well. The 3rd type of learner learns by doing. They are called tactile learners. Tactile learners learn best by touching or experiencing things. They remember best by experiencing hands-on learning or by writing things down. In order to study effectively, tactile learners can use flashcards or flip books. They may also need frequent breaks to get up and walk around. Because tactile learners learn by doing, they will be successful studiers by adding, writing, or movement. And again, flashcards, we've done that in school, in class. We've also manipulated words on cards, done puzzles, anything that has your hands attached to it, that's tactile. Even when we did the note cards and stuck them up in categories on the whiteboard, that's for tactile learners. And you can do that at home as well. Last paragraph, people learn differently. Time spent studying can be more useful if the studying takes into account each individual's learning style. When students learn whether they are visual, auditory, or tactile learners, they will know how to make the best use of study time. Isn't it great to know that simple changes to your study habits can lead to greater success? So in this essay, the structure was descriptive, and it did just that. It gave us 3 types of learners, described each, and then you can probably start to pick up what you were. So they're very descriptive, and that was the whole point of this essay. So hopefully you picked up on that for when you answer your questions. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.